Daniel. Daniel Larkin, he's got the back supercharged, ready to throw. He's got a red boomerang and likes to lift past his yellow boomerang, likes to throw it as fun. Check out a day in the life of Daniel Larkin, He's got a super blue boomerang, he takes any time. Likes to come with Joe and had him up with his mom, and his dad's up as a friend. Running over his new house of Daniel Larkin. Super secret pet, his green jeans, green hateful Lola. I love this cheerleader. Just another day in the life of a boy. 10 alone, another day in the life of a boy. 10 alone, another day in the life of a boy. 10 alone, another day in the life of a boy. And just another day in the life of a boy. And just another day in the life of a boy. Named Daniel. That's it. Woo!
Guess who's coming for barbecue dinner? Hey everyone, I'm Dan. So today, I'm gonna have our guests visiting for our barbecue today. It's gonna be great, and I need your help. Will you help us have a great time at the barbecue? Thanks. Yeah, I look so sharp. This is the dirt bike car. These are the bouncy shoes. That's a Disney Channel show called Raven's Home. This is Casey Undercover. I look good in Layla's outfit. That's the Shake It Up look. That's Liv and Maddie. That's me looking good in this outfit. I look good in this new outfit. Good. Good. I look good in this Downtown West outfit. I look great in this white outfit. Look, I'm in this new country called Dutch Country, Narvator, PA, Pennsylvania. Good. Good. This is the SpongeBob SquarePants trash can. That's True Action VP. That's the Road Pizza I saw. That's the Nerf Better Than Balloons. Those are the Whoopie cookies. That's all the giant toys and stuff. That's the Vanisol Twinkle Sea Friends. That's the indoor boomerang. That's the zoom ring. That's the soaring flyer. That's the Power Shark gun. I look good in this hat. These are the Aqua Blasters. Good. Good. Hey guys. Hi Daniel. Hey Maya. Hi Hannah. Hey John. Hey Braylon. Hi Daniel. So, what do you guys want to eat? Like everything. Alright. Here's french fries, cake, and meatballs, everyone. Enjoy. Nom, 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 nom. This is the best dinner ever, Daniel. You have the best dinner. Thank you. Good. Good. I really had fun having dinner with my friends today. What was your part? Yeah, the dinner, the toys, and everything. Thanks for having dinner with me. Bye-bye.